Are you looking for a way to earn extra income online without a degree, without a fancy setup, or in fact without wasting time? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 powerful AI tools that you can use to make up to $50 a day or even more. These aren't gimmicks, these are smart AI tools that freelancers, creators, and in fact side hustlers are using right now to get paid. So make sure to stick to the very end because I'm going to be showing you guys a method of even combining them to even make more. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get started. First up on the list is Heygen, a mind-blowing AI video tool that turns written text into talking avatar videos. All you simply have to do is to type in the script you want to use, or in fact you can decide to generate the script itself. And then after that, you want to choose a digital spokesperson for the video, and within minutes you have a clean, professional looking video. There's several YouTubers out there that don't like showing their faces, or several content creators out there that don't like showing their faces. With the use of this particular AI tool, you can decide to help them create a script and also create an avatar video for their particular content. And then from there, you can get paid. Same thing applies to several business owners out there that they require product explainer videos or in fact promotional videos, and they're as well shy of showing their faces. And in fact, course creators out there or even coaches about several content out there that are actually shy to promote whatever service they're rendering. With the use of this particular AI tool, you can help them to generate a video showing a digital spokesperson talking about that particular service or product, and then from there you can get paid. There are a whole lot of people doing this right now and getting paid, and most of them charge from about $30 to about $100 depending on the length of the video and as well the script itself, which means in just 1 to about 2 gigs a day you're already making above $50. And then the next AI tool on the list is Opusclip. Opusclip is actually a very fast growing AI tool right now used by a whole lot of content creators. All it simply does is it takes a long form video content and then converts it automatically into a viral short clip, and then all you have to do is to just select a long form video. It can be a YouTube video, whatever social media long form video, and then you want to insert it inside this particular AI tool, and then it automatically converts it into a short clip and in fact adds captions, emojis, and attention grabbing highlights to the videos. Now with the use of this particular AI tool, you can turn coaching videos that are actually very long into short hooking Instagram reels or TikTok reels or TikTok videos for people to actually watch, grabbing their attention. And then you can as well do what we call repurpose videos for TikTok or even YouTube. And then there are a whole lot of people also using this particular AI to make a whole lot of money. All you simply have to do is to communicate or create a service that deals with repurpose. All right, so now you want to tell people that, hey, hello, I do content repurpose. That is, if you create a long form content video, I can help you convert it to a short hooking clip that can grab a whole lot of attention for that particular video. And then with the use of these, you can actually charge from about $30 again to about $50 depending on the length of the video and the attention grabbing features you actually use on the video. As you guys can see, this is actually a very powerful and fast growing AI tool. And then the third AI tool on the list is gonna be copy.ai. Copy.ai is actually a personal AI writing assistant. It sounds more like ChatGPT, but this time it is specific on writing context. That is, it helps you in writing scripts or writing text or writing captions for whatever purpose you might have in mind. Looking at things like blog posts or looking at things like email marketing, product descriptions, advertisements, several things that falls under the beauty of this AI tool. With the use of this AI tool, copy.ai, you can actually help to write text or write scripts for a whole lot of businesses out there. In fact, even for advertisements or even just for someone that has an idea but don't know how to write. All you simply have to do is to announce that, hey guys, I am running this particular service, and then once they actually tell you what they want, all you simply have to do is to head to this particular AI tool and generate that particular content or that particular script they actually love. And the beauty about this AI tool is it actually generates it in a hooking manner and in a manner that no matter who's listening, you're definitely gonna get attracted to the script itself. And then there are a whole lot of people also doing this and charging about $25, $30, $40, depending on the area you want to use this script. There are a whole lot of people using it for Instagram captions. Some of them charge about $25. There are a whole lot of people using it for product descriptions for advertisements. Some of them charge about $30. Same thing applies to email marketing itself. You can charge from about $30 to about $50 depending on all you used in the particular script. And just an additional tip for this particular AI tool, you can simply target small business owners on either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then offer them a service to help them revamp their bios, captions, or in fact add copy, which simply means that in just 2 to about 3 gigs every single day, you're already hitting your target of $50. And then moving to the fourth AI tool on the list for today's video is gonna be runwayml, or you can call it Kaiba AI tool. This is actually a super creative tool that lets you create cinematic AI videos from just simple text, or in fact images, and then it can help you animate photos, create music, visuals, or in fact generate green screen effects. You can use this AI tool to create visuals for music artists. There are a whole lot of lyric videos out there, or in fact upcoming music artists that are actually looking for people that can help them create animations for their music. Same thing applies to trippy visuals for YouTubers, TikTokers, or in fact DJs. You can actually use this AI tool to create a very nice visual for their activities. Same applies with animated intros, or in fact trailers for business owners. You can as well use this AI tool to generate nice motion graphics for their sake. And then for you to actually make a whole lot of money with this, you can actually sell AI music visuals on Fiverr, or in fact even Upwork. You can as well create a partnership program with upcoming artists and then tell them that you can help them create a promotional video, or a promotional motion graphic animated video, and then from there they can actually pay you for this particular service. And then all you simply have to do is to just start charging something that is actually okay, and then you can make that $50 that I talked about from the very start of this video. And then moving to the final AI tool in this video is 11 Labs, which is actually a voice maker AI tool. All you simply have to do in this particular AI tool is to insert the script you want or the text you want, and then it converts it to an AI voice cover. All right, all you simply have to do is to type in the text, or insert the script you want to use for the video, and then it converts it to a particular voiceover or a particular audio with whatever voice you're okay with. And then the beauty about this AI tool is you can test from variety of voices that are actually in the AI tool. And then all you simply have to do is to tell people that you actually offer services for voiceovers, especially people that don't want their voice to sound in a particular video. You can create voiceovers for their YouTube videos. You can in fact narrate TikTok stories, or in fact short documentaries for whatever videos you might have in mind. And then for you to make money from this, you can in fact sell faceless YouTube voiceovers, like about 1 minute for about $20. You can in fact create a bundle with copy.ai, which I talked about, which is actually the script, and then you want to use 11 Labs to convert it to a voice and then deliver it to whoever needs it. There are a whole lot of people that create animations, 2D animation, 3D animations, and are looking for certain voices. You can tell them that you can create a voice for this character or this 3D character, a very nice voice that they will enjoy, and then from there you can start charging to make your money. And then I talked about something from the start of this video about the combination of some of these tools to even get paid more than the amount I mentioned. If you look at the combo of copy.ai, which actually writes the script, and then 11 Labs, which actually does the voiceover, and finally Heygen, or in fact runwayml, you can actually use the combination of these three tools to create a very nice video that you can actually charge about $100 per project. In fact, when you use copy AI to generate a particular script for a particular video idea, Then you move to 11 Labs, you paste that particular script, and then it converts it to a voiceover. And then you finally go to Heygen or runwayml, and then you paste it there, and then you convert it to a video. Now you have all in one video that all you have to do now is to start selling it. You can render this service as a combo service, and then you get even paid way higher than what we talked about. And there you have it, guys. That brings us to the end of this video. These 5 AI tools which we listed are not just cool, they are practical, beginner friendly, and built to help you start making a whole lot of money online, and in fact right now. Make sure to drop a comment down below on which tools you are most excited to try out, in case you haven't tried out any. But I personally would reply to some of the tips you guys are going to be dropping, or some of the comments you guys are going to be dropping in the comment section, so as to enlighten you guys more on whatever questions you might have. Make sure to check the description for links to these particular AI tools, and also don't forget to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share with your friends and family members. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.